Hi everybody, it's Jules Appleby here from Xpos, and I'm joined again by Mark Hopkins.
Thanks, Jules. How everybody?
So today we're going to talk to you about a subject that you might not think is particularly important right now, given that you're really busy: pricing.
Yeah, Jules, it can be hard to think of anything other than just keeping busy and fighting those fires at the moment. But truth is, price is critical. The price of your stock has a huge effect on your business, no matter what the issues outside of your control. So how you decide to price your product sends a message to both customers and competitors that is fundamental to your brand. And while high prices can damage your brand image, low prices can imply poorer quality stock and a lack of confidence.
Yeah, that's true. So I guess most retailers watching this might be saying, oh no, I know what my customers want. They want it cheap, and that's what everybody else is doing in the country. And therefore, that's what I've got to do as well to compete.
If your strategy is to undercut other shops in the area or take on the online behemoths and be the cheapest, you could be undervaluing your business potential, and you'll be struggling to make a profit, the profit that you think you will. So there's a big difference between being competitive and being cheap. So as a business owner, keeping your customers on side but spending with you has to be your number one priority. And it's understandable why, I guess, some retailers refuse to raise their prices year on year, basically for fear of upsetting them.
Yeah, no, we have seen a lot of that over the years, haven't we, Mark? So but the price of the basics, such as teas and balls and confectionery, do tend to stay the same. And I think that's been cemented by the last sort of 18 months with coronavirus. I think that sort of just firmed those prices in place. But it's what you need to remember is that it's those small changes that have the biggest impact, that can have the biggest impact on the business. And also, in contrast, how little your membership will notice. So say you took water bottles and maybe you've been selling bottles at £1 for years. If you increase that to £1.25, say you sell 1,000 bottles over a year, well, that's another £250 right there just to your bottom line. Now, that doesn't seem a lot, but then you spread that across teas and confectionery and balls, for example, and it really, really adds up.
Yeah, exactly. And you know what? You should be using Xpos to guide you with all of this. So why don't you check out the product screen, have a search for those key little products, the water bottles, maybe your best-selling golf ball. Have a look at it, click on it, and then use that right-hand product details bar to just check out when the last time that you actually changed the price of it. You might be pleasantly surprised that you haven't done it for a while, so it could be a good time to do it. So the other one to check out is go to the product group statistics report in the report section, and just have a look at how many you sell of each year of these products each year. And then you can quickly work out the sort of benefits that a price increase would bring you. Again, hopefully pleasantly surprised.
Yeah, absolutely. But also on that note, we have to remember, Mark, it's not all about price.
No,
we all know that it costs a lot more money to get a new customer than it does to retain one. So retailers should also be thinking about how to make their membership more loyal. If you've got a membership, are you making the most of those people? Getting them to be loyal is not about being the cheapest. If it was, we'd all be selling everything cheap as chips, wouldn't we, Mark?
We sure would, and of course you won't last very long on that either, so not a great idea. Now, loyalty obviously can be built on a number of things. I guess most people agree that customer service is probably the king of all of that. Xpos can help you with that as well. You should already be capturing those customer names, so make sure you are at the point of sale. Once you've got that information in your system, that is hugely valuable, and it's time basically to start making more use of it. So first thing to think about, Xmail. We have that Xmail service, automatically connects you to your customers. It sends timely reminder emails following on a purchase, the sort of thing we always forget. We should do, but we always forget to do. It's just doing it in the background. You don't need to worry about it.
Yeah, absolutely. We get great feedback about Xmail all the time. And then, of course, there's the new Xpos Caddy app, which brings together all the elements of your business into sort of one easy-to-use app for your members. So shop customers simply download the app. They can view their account balance live. They can top up their accounts. They can book their golf lessons. They can view and reserve live stock. They can purchase gift vouchers. So it puts your business very much front of mind. And you can also obviously manage the app and do all of that from the comfort of your sofa at home. So the Pro Shop's always there.
Yeah, and again, the feedback for that has been fantastic. So thanks to all the guys out there who've been giving us the great feedback. So give us a shout if you want more information on that. Otherwise, thank you, Jules. Hopefully that helped. And, you know, be brave, I guess. Get out there, see if you can tweak some of those prices. Have a look at Xmail, have a look at Caddy. Thanks for watching. And
Thanks,
we'll
everybody.
be in touch next time. Cheers.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.